Hi guys, I want to teach you how I did this. I don't know how to do any tutorial today. I just want to relax today and rest. But because I saw a comment, one of us said that her birthday is on 4th of this month, that she would like to recreate this type of video. I'm leaving this body. Today is your birthday. So because of her, let me do this tutorial so that she will start now to be practicing it before the 4th of November, that is her birthday, so that she will be able to recreate it and post on her page that day. So guys, follow me, let me teach you how I created this video, how I edited it. Let's go guys. So to edit that type of video, all you have to do is to click on your CapCut to open your CapCut, okay? Then you click on new project, okay? Now click on that video that you've recorded. I'll show you how I recorded this video. Click on add, okay? So this is how I recorded this video. Let me play this video for you to see how I recorded it. All right? I just entered the scene. I sat down, I folded my hands. You are seeing what is happening? After a moment, I will stand up, all right? You are seeing me standing up? Yeah, you are seeing me, right? I just stood up. I'll turn and start talking to myself. I'll start. So you are here sleeping? Yeah, you are seeing me. You are here sleeping and you are here starving me. Since morning, today is my birthday, you've not given me food. You are here sleeping. I am leaving this body and I will not return again. Just do as if you are talking to someone sitting there, again. Okay? All right? If I leave now, that means I'll not be alive again. You are seeing it? No. Let me return, no, please. Let me return. You are seeing it? Let me return, no, please. I don't want to leave, oh. I don't want to. You can add whatever you want to add, okay? Give me food. Jesus. You are seeing it? What just happened? You are seeing it? Jesus. You are seeing it? My body light. You are seeing it? Blood of Jesus. Now I pause this video. Now this end part, just tap on this video to highlight it, click on split and delete this one, okay? Delete it. Now this CapCut logo, tap on it and also delete it. Now go to the beginning of this your video. Go to the beginning, okay? That place you entered the scene is not needed. Once I enter, I will just sit down, then fold my hands. Then I will pause this video like this, tap on it and split. Now this place I entered is not needed. Tap on it like this and click on delete, okay? Now all you have to do now is to play this video to the place, to that place that you wanted to stand up, all right? Okay, this is the place I wanted to stand up, okay? So all I have to do now is to click on this video like this and click on split, okay? When you click on split, this part now, this end side now, just look for overlay. It's already highlighted. Now look for overlay and overlay it, all right? Look for overlay. This is overlay. Click on this overlay, it will overlay. You've seen it, it has dropped down. Now all you have to do is to do what? Is to drag this video to the beginning of this first one. Once you drag it to the beginning of this first one, tap on it, this overlaid one, tap on it and look for splice. This is splice. Click on this splice and choose any effect from this splice. Depending on the cloth that you're putting on, you can choose filter, you can choose darken, you can choose overlay, you can choose any one of your choice, okay? Now, let me choose this lighting, okay? This lighting now, I have chosen it. Now, after choosing it, you click on this good here, okay? Now, you play your video. As simple as that. Play from the beginning. From the beginning, as simple as that. You are seeing what is happening. You are seeing what is happening. Now, this one now up is too short, okay? All I have to do now is to tap on it and do what? And duplicate it. Just duplicate. Look for duplicate and duplicate it, okay? Duplicate it. Now, continue playing your video. All right? Continue playing your video. You can add whatever you want to add. You are here sleeping and you are here. This up one is still very short. All I have to do also is to duplicate it, okay? Duplicate it and be going. Since morning, today is my birthday, you've not given me food. Still duplicate the first one, the up one, and I am leaving this body and I will not return again. I will not return again. Still duplicate the up one, okay? Duplicate it, alright? Hey, if I leave now. Still duplicate the up one, alright? That means I'll not be alive again. Still duplicate the up one, because if you leave it, look at what will happen. Nobody will be there again. So we'll be duplicating this up one so that someone will be there. All right? No. Let me return, no, please. Let me return. I'm returning. I'll still duplicate. All right. Once I see done, I'll cut it. You've seen it. Now it has ended. Okay. Now you've seen it. So if maybe if you still need to duplicate, you duplicate. If you still need to split and delete, maybe you've sat down, then you want to split and delete some part of this up one, you split it and you delete it. All right. Now my own matched very well, so there's nothing to delete. All right. You've seen it. You've seen it. That is it. It's very simple. Just splice. Once you splice, everything will just happen. All right.
Why is my body light? I'm not using this morning. Lord of Jesus.
You've seen it. That is it. Just splice. All right. That place you wanted to stand up, just split from that place. Then drop it down by clicking on overlay. Push it to the beginning of the first one. Then the overlaid one, tap on it and click on splice. Choose any effect from that splice, and that is the magic. The magic will just happen. It is as simple as that. All right. This is how you can edit this video. So go and edit yours. Go and record and edit yours. Okay. Bye guys, and see you on my next one. After everything, you export your video. Okay. Bye. Hope you've gotten this now. It is not a magic. Everything is editing. Go and do yours. All right. Bye guys.